Guys, you will not believe this. Okay, so I was just randomly trading in this guy named Tagged Skylines. Okay, so we were trading back and forth. And he literally did the most like at first, like I thought he was joking, but look at this. Look at what he accepted. Look what he did. Look what he did for me. He literally he gave me his blue steel bucket for this. Like, this is insane. Like, thank you so much, bro. Like, I literally just got scammed yesterday, and that helps me a lot. Like, he's looking at my channel right now. But dude, this just helped me so much. He gave me like 5k value. Like, he gave me like 4k value. Like, this just helped me so much. Like, I'm so speechless. 6. Come here. I lost my chromatides and chromabone rate today. I lost my chromatides and my Claw Destroyer is the name. Dude, this is so crazy. He accepted my trade. Like, I did not expect him to do that. Like, if I go to my items, if I go to back to this, I have the blue steel bucket. Like, this is insane. Like, I am so happy right now. Like, dude, this is so crazy. Yo. Dude, this guy just made my day. I low-key thought he was a fan. Like, there it is. Skyline ZZ Gaming. This guy, he just helped me. Okay, guys, this is insane. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This dude just really helped me a lot, and I'll see you guys later.